Moksuda.
I'm Satta.
Myself Vicky.
Myself Mitesh.
I'm Renal.
I'm Gaurav Kapatia.
I'm Hitesh.
Hi, I'm Heer.
I'm Ashrita.
I'm Suryanshu.
And today we are going to chit
Chat.
If your teacher were a programming language, which one would they be?
Java, maybe.
Python. Oh, hands down Python.
For mine, it's Java, very complicated.
My teachers were more like Python. Most of them were C++ as well. Not able to understand them till date.
C++.
Python.
Python.
Did you ever have crush on a teacher? It's a question.
Yeah, many teachers. I wrote a letter to one of my teacher as well, by the way. He was my 10th standard class teacher, Thomas sir, and he was my best friend's father.
Yeah, I had.
You want to elaborate?
No, because my teacher follows me on Insta.
Yes, in ninth class, my science teacher.
Obviously, we have one English teacher who is good looking and everything. So yeah.
Yeah, definitely. English teacher.
Yes, my English teacher when I was in 4th.
Why it's always English teachers? I think my PD teacher had a crush on my English teacher.
Would you rather call ChatGPT, Teach GPT or Cheat GPT?
Teach GPT. It's a tongue twister, yeah.
Cheat GPT.
Teach GPT or cheat GPT.
Okay, I give up.
Teach GPT who taught me to cheat.
I would say both, depends on what I'm doing.
Cheat GPT.
Just cheat GPT.
Definitely Cheat GPT.
For me, it will be Teach GPT.
Can I solve this tongue twister first? Like cheat GPT, teach GPT, cheat GPT, teach GPT, teach GPT, cheat GPT, teach GPT, cheat GPT, teach GPT, cheat GPT.
So, what were the first words did you learn to code first? By the way, do you know coding?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Hello world.
Hello world.
Yeah, hello world.
Definitely Hello World. Who doesn't like Hello World?
Include. Hello world.
What was the teacher like? Virus from 3 Idiots or Jeetu Bhaiya from Kota Factory? In my case, it was Virus from 3 Idiots. Definitely Virus.
Bago.
The first teacher was definitely like Jeetu Bhaiya from Kota Factory, but along the way in college, I've also met Virus from 3 Idiots as well.
Jeetu Bhaiya from Kota Factory.
So most of them were more on the side of Jeetu Bhaiya.
School में virus, college में थोड़ा बहुत जीतू भैया.
Mine was, I think, Jeetu Bhai from Kota Factory.
I've only had viruses throughout my life.
They were Virus from 3 Idiots. Would have liked that if there was someone Jeetu Bhaiya from Kota Factory.
Do you think AI is better than your teachers?
Definitely no.
No way. Not yet. Maybe in future.
Yes, of course. I think that AI can explain things emotionally in a better way rather than it is explained by a teacher.
You are saying that AI will put the emotions.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not made for coding then.
Who first introduced you to coding? Who will you give the credits of becoming a pro coder?
That would be my first mentor when I started my job.
My 9th grade computer teacher. So I was introduced to coding by my seniors.
The pro coder, I could say definitely Newton School with.
I would give a lot of credit to my 9th and 10th standard teacher.
11th, 12th ki Alka ma'am was there who taught me very well C++.
Teachers Day or Teachers Day?
Samjha?
No.
Of course, Teachers Day.
I don't like teachers.
Which one?
Who is a go-to person for help with the toughest algorithms? Definitely our tech lead Kapatia.
Kapatia?
Definitely Kapatia.
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 Kapatia only.
If you could take a coding class again, who would it be with?
I would go with Dennis Ritchie, the creator of C. Big fan of his work.
With Rick. From Rick and Morty.
I don't want to take a coding class.
What is that one programming language which you think you never needed to learn?
So being from an electronics background, I never thought I will require to learn assembly language. I still don't know why I learned it, but yeah.
PHP. It will offend the developers, JavaScript.
I learned Visual Basic in 5th and 6th. The most useless language ever.
HTML.
Yeah, same for me, HTML. That's not even a programming language.
I didn't want to learn R, but I learned.
So the biggest teacher throughout till date, even today, is my father. So I would like to thank him.
Current day teachers are managers. Teachers teach, managers tolerate. So my manager is tolerating me since a year now. So I'm very grateful and thankful.
So in the end, I would like to express my humble gratitude to my teachers who have been so kind. So shout out to bad websites which taught me how to make good websites, what not to do.
I feel that we learn from everyone around us. So again, a happy Teachers Day to everyone around me.
Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
So guys, if you liked this video,
Please like, share and subscribe to Newton School Data Science.
Happy Teachers Day. Bye.
Doodle.